Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you ready to kickstart your journey to building your dream business? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 steps that will guide you through the process of launching your own venture. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. Step 1, define your vision. The first step in launching your business is to clearly define your vision. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? Who is my target audience? What makes my business unique? Take the time to brainstorm and articulate your vision, as it will serve as the foundation for everything that follows. Step 2, conduct market research. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to conduct market research. This involves analyzing your industry, identifying your competitors, and understanding your target market's needs and preferences. Market research will provide you with valuable insights that will help you refine your business idea and strategy. Step 3, create a business plan. With your vision and market research in hand, it's time to create a business plan. Your business plan will outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused and organized as you work towards your launch. Step 4, build your brand. It's time to bring your vision to life by building your brand. This involves creating a memorable brand identity, including your logo, colors, and messaging. Your brand should reflect your values and resonate with your target audience, setting you apart from your competition. Step 5, launch and adapt. Finally, it's time for your business to be launched. But remember, launching your business is just the beginning. Be prepared to adapt as you receive feedback from your customers and learn from your experiences. Stay agile and keep striving to improve as you work towards building a successful and sustainable business. And there you have it, 5 key steps to launching your dream business. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey filled with challenges and opportunities. Stay focused, stay resilient, and most importantly, believe in yourself and your vision. You've got this.